This is my short video about the Broil King Baron 490. Just arrived, we'll start unpacking now. That's the box, and that's my cover. Back in a minute. That's the box opened. Not sure what these parts are yet, but they're heavy. That's the supercharged Triumph rocket, 2.3 litre missile. That's for another video though. Off, it contained all the grill bars. So now, this is the baby. Are you ready? There we go. So, try and get that bad boy out. In the unboxing, I've had to cut the front of the box away on two sides. Wouldn't normally do that, but this is what it looks like so far. Loose, easily comes away. That's what you see. But what I've noticed here in transit, we've got some vibration marks, and it's rubbed the enamelling away by the looks of it. So that's not the best, is it, really? Started to take out the items that were stacked inside the actual grill itself, and as you can see, now we get to see the burners. There's the rotisserie, and there's the grill burners themselves. I have to say, first impressions are it is really good quality. So at the very bottom you've got this last box, which appears to have various items, which no doubt the instruction booklet, which is over here, will help me understand where it all goes. There's about 20 pages. It's not going to be too difficult. I suspect there's probably an hour or so at least putting this together. Go back in a minute. In the assembly is putting these three panels together, but as you can see, this panel here has been bent in transit. Should be able to straighten that out, but once again, not ideal. Okay, second of those three panels with some damage. Once again, I can straighten that out, but disappointing. Shouldn't be my experience. Okay, so that's the cabinet base and sides put together. So the base is built, and now it's time to assemble the base to the grill. Back in base on, you place the base and the grill together on its back like that. Back in a sec. Doors on, cabinet built, the grill connected to the cabinet. That's what it looks like. Everything you do so far on its back. Right, back in a sec. Now it's upright, starting to come together. It's not too bad. It's straightforward to build so far. There's always something that doesn't quite go right, and there was a screw that was a nightmare, but now we are, I think, coming towards the latter part of it. Anyway, looking good. I think it's pretty cool. That's the side burner on, nice and easy, and that's the side serving area, service area. Now we assemble this area. So we've now got those flavour bars in there, flavorizer, and one or two other components in. So that now gets me to that area there. So that's 20. Yeah, and I've got 2 more pages left, I think. Let's have a look. Not so easy, isn't it? It's the hardest part of the bloody night so far, can you believe that? Okay, 23, 24, 25, and I think we are golden. That's it. We can set the covers on, and now last step is the cooking grids. Nearly there. Okay, so I'm built now. Well, not me built, but it's built. It took me longer than I thought actually. That's about 2.5 hours, and I've still got to put the rotisserie detail on it. So anyway, it looks pretty good. It's very solid. I'll probably spend a bit more time on it tomorrow. Happy with it, and I hope that was helpful. Not the most interesting videos, I know, but there you go. Apologies for the mess. I'm in the process of doing a bit of work on the house, so there you go. And there's a little bit of English countryside for you. Okay, catch you later.